Hi everyone, this quick video is about how to access D2L. So you need to go to the nycc.edu website, click on the quick links, and click right on D2L. Once you get here, it's going to ask you for your username and password. If you don't have that information, please email me and I will find the right person to connect you to. So you click login. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see where it says My Courses, and your course should be right there, the Chiropractic and Philosophy. You want to click on that. And then on this first page, you'll see all the emails that I sent you, and any new information will be here. But what you're going to want to do is click on Resources and click on Content. And here you'll really see the outline of our class this trimester. So the syllabus, the assignment checklist, and all the different modules are on here. I will be sending you different videos about each module and what you need to do for each module. And I will also send out a video about the syllabus and the assignment checklist. But be sure to read your emails as well. If you have any questions or any problems accessing D2L, again, please let me know ASAP. Okay, thank you.